Hey guys, Madison here. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make a waterfall bracelet. So this is what it's going to look like when you're done. The reason why I want to do this is because that it's going to be even more faster for me to make. And so the things that you'll need are your rain balloon, colors of your choice today I'm using, purple, and pink. You're also going to need a rain balloon hook or a crochet hook. Today I'm using a crochet hook. And you're also going to need a S-clip or C-clip. Today I'm using a S-clip. So now that we have everything that we need, let's just get started. Yeah! Okay, so let's get started. So first, we are going to turn our limb around so that the arrows are facing towards away from us. To start, we are going to get our first color row of rubber bands. I'm using purple. Then you're going to put it from here to here, like this. Then you're going to go all the way up until it gets to here. So continue this. So you're going to stop right there. So now I'm going to move on to the middle ones. I'm using pink. Then you're going to put it from the middle peg from here to here, like this. Then I'm going to do the same thing we did all the way up, like we did on the last one. I'm not going to edit this or anything, so I'm going to move as fast as I can. Stop on that peg. So now I'm going to move on to the last one. I'm going to do exactly the same thing that we did for the rest of them. And rubber band is stuck in there, guys. That's why I just did that. There you go. So this is what your limb should look like when you're done. Once you have those, you can push all of them down. Right after we're done pushing them down, we're going to turn our limb around. Sorry about that, guys. Something just popped up on my computer. Now let's see how I'm going to get rid of this thing. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the triangles. I call them triangles because, you know. So we're going to put it on these two pegs, like this. And you're going to take this and you're going to put it up like that. So it makes a triangle. If you want, you can do it like this. Put it on this peg from here to here. So if you want to know how to do this one more time, you can just do this and then take this and put it right there. Or you can do this one or however you want it. So continue doing this until you have triangles fill up your pegs. Oh yeah. So by the way, we're not putting triangles on these 3 empty pegs. This is what your limbs should look like when you're done. By the way, guys, that's the radio. If you hear it. Now we're gonna hook now. So what we're gonna do is you're going to grab this loop right here. I'm gonna pull it and put it to the one right there. So take the middle one, grab it and put it to the top. Grab this one and put it over to the top. So this is what it should look like. So you're going to go under, grab the bottom band and pull it over to where it came from. So you're going to do this row until you reach the top. So you're going to go under, grab the bottom band and pull it over to where it came from. Repeat this step. This is what your limbs should look like when you're done. Well, one of them. Someone just texted me. Excuse me. Now onto the middle row. This is so easy because all I'm gonna do is just go under, grab the bottom band, and pull it over to where it came from. Go under and pull it over, under, over. The middle one is always easy. This is what your limbs should look like when you're done. Well, one of them. Now we're going to do the last one. Sorry guys, I'm in a group chat with 2 people. So this is what your limbs should look like after you're done hooking. So here's kind of the tricky part. So we're going to push this row down and you're going to take this row and you're going to put it, well, don't push it down, and you're going to put it on the bottom. Hang on a second. So now we are going to do the same thing to the other side. Take it and we're going to put it on the bottom right there. So now you're going to grab a rubber band, which one you want, whatever color you want. So hang on a second, you get a new one. So now I'm gonna go under all those rubber bands. We're going to put it on the hook and make sure that all of the rubber bands gets inside of it. So you should have this. So now you're going to take it off. Just pull it off. Very easy. Now you should have this. This is what your lemon should look like. If it does, you did a good job. But if it doesn't, you have to start all over again. No offense. So now I'm going to make the extension. To do this, we're going to need like 5 or 6 bands. It depends how long your wrist is. And you're going to line them up all the way down. Alright guys, so I'm going to, well, let me see how many rubber bands I have. I think I need 6. Yeah, I need 6. So unfortunately I need 8. Because that's how many rubber bands I used last time. Now I'm going to push them down. So now I'm going to turn a limb around. This is how you can do this. You can put it on this or you can do this. I found out this is more easier to do this. Because the bracelet can get more longer. Unfortunately, subtract 1 and you got 7. So now you have 8. Because this includes 8. So now we're going to hook. This is so easy because you're going to take this and you're going to pull it over to the top and onto the peg in front of it. So you're going to do that for the rest of them. Now we're going to pull this thing off. Very easy. Now I'm going to grab it as clip or C-clip. And you're going to clip it like that. And clip it on the other side. Just sorry about that, guys. Just like that. And you're done. Alright guys, so this is what the bracelet looks like right after you're done. The reason why I wanted to do this is because I wanted to match my shirt. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment, thumbs up, and also this is my last day wearing my hair like this, so I might get braids today. So if I did, I'm gonna miss you. Just kidding. I'm gonna miss this hair because I like my hair straight more than braids. But if I didn't, I'll be happy. So follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Musical.ly. I'll put those things in a link down below. So subscribe for more videos, and I might not be able to make any more videos this week. So I'll see you guys next time on this channel. Peace out, guys. Bye.